Hold up a minute. Yesterday's DJI Fly update for June 27th, 2024, version 1.13.8, has a serious bug in it, which causes the app to crash. Let's take a look at what this is all about. There's a really bad bug in yesterday's DJI Fly app update. Version 1.13.8 of DJI Fly was released yesterday, June 27th, 2024, for Android, iOS, and for the RC2 controller. But I found there's a really bad problem with it. I was attempting to create a waypoint mission using the map screen. This is where you click on the map screen on the controller to create a waypoint, and then click subsequent spots on the map to create further waypoints. I did this as normal and then saved my waypoint mission for use later. I then realized I made a mistake and wanted to adjust a waypoint. So once again, I clicked the waypoint icon, then clicked the Save Load icon as usual, and selected my just saved waypoint mission. And immediate fatal crash. The app, that is, not the drone, just to be clear. The screen goes black for several seconds, and then DJI Fly restarts, but the waypoint mission does not load. Upon trying twice more, I received a warning that DJI Fly keeps crashing. Yeah, no kidding. So I then tried to load an older waypoint mission, one I created before I updated yesterday. That one loaded just fine. No problems at all, as did other older ones I tried. So, once again, I attempted to load the new one. Nope. Immediate crash. Same symptoms, black screen, then restarted. Creating yet another new mission and loading it resulted in the same behavior. Clearly, there's a new bug in how the waypoint file is being saved in the latest DJI Fly version, since new ones, waypoint missions that is, can't load, but old ones saved before the update can still load just fine. Upon checking the forums, I discovered I am not the only person to have discovered this. Apparently, a few people have run up against it. So, you just may want to hold off updating, especially if you use waypoint missions a lot or at all. No doubt DJI will fix this bug fairly quickly. I wouldn't be surprised if they halt this update rollout until they do. Let me know in the comments if you've noticed any other issues in this update, especially with regards to the hyperlapse and quick shots issues some people have been having previous to the last update. Like I said, I'm confident DJI will get this fixed soon. They're usually quite good at this. But I do wish a bit more testing would happen before these updates go live. In the meantime, you'll have to decide if updating is something you want to do, or if you should wait until this is fixed in a later version. As always, thanks for watching, and help me out by hitting those buttons down there, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.